Hi, I'm Mr. Carter, Zachary Carter, and I'm teaching Pre-Algebra 8 this year. I went to the College of Worcester, a small school in Ohio, and then I have my master's from the University of Virginia. I have two kids. Abby is the younger, and Teddy is the older. My dog is Fozzie. I'm a big fan of the Washington Nationals. I enjoy baseball and also watch the Pittsburgh Steelers. The Pre-Algebra 8 curriculum is really a continuation of the 6th and 7th grade years and will act as preparation to ensure that students are prepared to take algebra in the 9th grade. We have 11 units of study. We've already started this year with data displays and probability. Our IB grading policy is through the entire school of TJ. We focus on 4 different criteria. Criterion A is knowledge and understanding. That's really going to be a traditional test. Criterion B is an investigating patterns. That's where students have to approach something new and kind of figure out how to study it and how to explain it. Criterion C, communication. This is where students are going to be asked to share either through writing, speaking, creating a presentation. And then finally, criterion D is applying the math in real-world contexts. Each of these criteria will count as 25% of their overall grade. My Canvas page is my main method of communicating with the students. Students can inbox me through Canvas. It also goes to my email. All of the assignments and the work that we do in class will be linked through the modules, and students can also go on the calendar and see upcoming assignments and other important dates. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this tonight. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm looking forward to a great year. If you need to reach out and contact me, my email address is on the screen. Thank you.